Ever wondered how you can revolutionize your wiring projects? With the 300 PCS solder seal wire connectors, your work becomes faster, easier, and more reliable. These connectors are designed to withstand harsh environments and protect your cables from damage. The included high-quality heat gun quickly reaches up to 760 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for speeding up your tasks. No more soldering or crimping, just heat and seal. Whether you're an automotive technician or a DIY enthusiast, our assortment of sizes and colors caters to all your wiring needs. High quality heat gun. The electric mini heat gun features a 350 watt motor that can quickly reach temperatures of up to 760 degrees, 380 degrees Celsius in seconds, making it ideal for speeding up your work. With 2 temperature settings, it's recommended to use the higher setting for optimal heat. Simple and compact shape, comfortable to hold, length 9.6 in, diameter 2 in. Built-in nickel chrome wire heating core, even heating durability and long service life. Durable solder connectors. These connectors are made from premium materials designed to withstand harsh environments, protecting cables from abrasion, cutting, scuffing, and low-impact situations. The ample solder ensures a long-lasting and secure connection for your application. Variety of sizes. The package includes a range of 3-to-1 heat shrink wire connectors. Don't miss out. Transform your work with these top quality connectors today.